Welcome to Java. Now I am going to show you how to connect Node.js 16 long-term support version to Oracle database 23C connectivity, which is running on Linux virtual machine. So I have already installed Node.js 16 and it's available in the path. So this is the Node.js 16 long-term support version. I have already installed and it's available in the Windows path. Okay, so let me go to directory where Oracle 23C .js. So this is the logic to connect the Oracle 23C free database. So it requires the package called Oracle DB. We need to download Oracle DB package, and it contains one connection string which contains database URL with username and password, and we are selecting one table called person and fetch all the records and display. So a very simple logic only. Okay, so and this is the Oracle database 23C free version running on Linux virtual machine. So you can see I can able to select the record from table. Okay, now I am checking the node version. So node 16.20 is a version. It's a long-term support version. So now I am downloading the Oracle DB package. Okay, npm install Oracle DB. So this will download the Oracle DB package from npm.js repository. So these are the details about Oracle DB. So Oracle DB version, that is package version, is 5.5.0. That's the latest version. So using this only, we are going to connect to the Oracle database 23C free edition. Okay. So wherever your JS program resides, there only you need to download the Oracle DB package. Okay. Now let me run the Oracle 23C.js. Yes. So I can able to connect to Oracle database 23C free edition. So I am inserting one record committed. So let me check whether it's selecting latest record. Yes, I can able to select the latest one. So Oracle database 23C connectivity with Node.js 16 is successful.